Right, hello, just another update on the car. So I'll start off firstly that I found a bit more rust than I was expecting. I know these later cars are known for having more rust than the middle facelift cars on the 124. So when I got it, I initially knew that there was some rust in the boot, which I've had repaired. But then I've also discovered a bit over here. None that side, although I've treated it. There's that, but then there's also the jacking points as well. So I took the seal covers off to find that. I was expecting worse actually after I initially found it. I'll just show you the other side. There's that one. And that one. So I ordered the repair panels off of from a German company. They've got repair panels there, so that's for the offside rear, but there's all four there, and then it's cut to size, so I'll get a welder coming to do those. So hopefully that'll be dealt with, and then I'll treat everything there. I've got both front wings that are now painted and they're ready to go on, because these ones were corroding like they all do. And I've also got the rear door all painted and ready to go on as well to replace that one. The other panels then that I'm going to be keeping or not spraying, I've done a 3-stage polish on those and also touched in any chips, so they've come up all right. So that will be keeping. That will be keeping and trying to get rid of the dent in the door there. There's the bonnet. Again, it's got a couple of dents, so I'll get those sorted. That wing's going to be replaced. This door, it's got a bit of lacquer fouling on the top there, but it looks all right now it's been polished. That's the same, and then this is the worst for the lacquer peel there. It's obviously gone through the paint, so I'll probably get that painted. So that's done. I've also bought a set of wheels, the newer wheels, the period wheels for it. They've got winter tyres on there at the moment, so I'll get some new Michelins. Inside, it's all been like deep cleaned now. All the carpets have been cleaned. MB Text has been cleaned and treated. Got replacement strips for these, so they all look smarter. So yeah, it's all good in here. Only real is the headliner's sagging a little bit, and the piping on the armrest has gone. But other than that, it all looks good. And then on the boot, I've just replaced the bump stops there, as they always go, and all the carpet and everything's been cleaned. So this will be all repaired and treated and made to look nice. And there's that. That's the update as it is at the moment. Hopefully do another one next week with the wings and the doors on. There you go. Thanks very much. Bye.